Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. We are still on the series of logarithms and we are looking at logarithmic expression. In our last video, we simplified some logarithmic expression. And so in this video, we're simplifying some more, looking at some more examples. Okay, so we have the first example on the board. It says, find the value of log 72 to base 8 minus log 9 over 8 to base 8 without using your logarithm table. That's quite easy to solve. So we'll go straight away, solution. So we write log 8 72 minus log 9 over 8 to base 8. Okay, using the law that says that log AB minus log AC should be the same as log A B divided by C. So we'll apply this law, same base minus, you are going to divide the logarithms. Okay, so we'll apply this law here. So we'll have this to be log to the base 8 common base, and there becomes 72 divided by 9 over 8. So when you solve 72 divided by 9 over 8, we'll do that here, 72. The divide turns to times 8 over 9. Then you flip this. So this gives us 9 here 1, 9 here 8. 8 times 8 gives us 8 squared, or rather 64. So this gives me log 8. And then here I have, all of this gave me 8 squared. Again, we are going to apply another law here. A law that says, if we have log a raised to the power m, like this, these two the same, and then a third one, then your result is just m. You can see that in our laws of logarithm. We've done about 4 videos on that. Laws of logarithm, part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. So you see that there. So this gives us, and then using this law, this gives us 2. So this minus this is equal to 2. Very easy and straightforward. So let's quickly see the second example here. Second example is also straightforward. We are asked to evaluate log 0.3 to base 4 and then minus log 0.48 to base 4 plus log 0.55 to base 4. So applying this same law to this first part, we'll have this to be equal to log 4, and here will be 0.3 divided by 0.48. So still having the same base with this, and it's plus. When it's plus, instead of division, in the case of minus, it becomes multiplication, multiplying 0.05. Okay, so for subtraction you divide, for addition you multiply. Okay, we have established these laws in our videos before now. Now we'll go further to simplify this. This gives us 0.3 times 0.05. That gives me log 4. This gives me 0.015 over 0.48. Good. So this times this gives us this, and then over 0.48. This can be written as log 4 15. If I move the decimal point 3 steps forward, 1, 2, 3, I'll get 15. If I also move this one 3 steps forward, 1, 2, 3, I'll get 480. Okay, so this gives me log 4. 15 here is 1, and then 15 here is 32. 15 into 480 is 32. So if we go further, this will give us log 4 here. 32 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 5 all over 1. Sorry, 1 all over 2 raised to the power 5. That is 1 over 32. So this again gives us log, our 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2. I believe you agree with that. And then 1 over 2 raised to the power 5 can be written as 2 raised to the power of minus 5 from our laws of indices. Okay, so all of this becomes 2 raised to the power of minus 5. Now this 2 raised to the power 2 is from 4, and then this 2 raised to the power minus 5 is from this. Applying the law of indices there. Okay, then finally this gives us, applying the law, I showed you this law in our laws of logarithm, log AM AC is equals to C over M. Okay, so if you have the base raised to a power and then the logarithm also raised to a power, and these two base, this base here and this base here are equal, then your result can be written like this. So we have here to be 2 and we also have here to be 2, they are equal, so our result can be written as minus 5 over 2, which you can, if you want to write as a mixed numbers, minus 2 whole number 1 over 2. You can stop there, that's the answer. Alright, so if you are not conversant with the laws yet, you can visit our videos, laws of logarithm part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Okay, so that will be all for now in this video. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. See you in our next video. Bye.